But let's take a look at some of the rain totals that we've seen so far today. Actually pretty minimal. When you look around Puget Sound, Bremerton and Shelton have picked up about 1/3 of an inch of rain. Quileute has hit that 1-inch threshold, but Seattle, Tacoma really only around 1/10 of an inch so far today. And as we take a look at our satellite and radar, we can see a lot of that rain hanging out over the Olympic Peninsula, some of it pushing through Puget Sound. Snow levels are staying above the pass level, so we're not concerned about any past snow today. Wind advisory is in place through most of our daytime hours tomorrow. We are focused up on the northern areas, and then over along our Olympic coast, we could see gusts up to 55 miles per hour during those daytime hours. Oh gosh, look at this gorgeous view from Bellingham. We can see that sun peeking out there just a little tiny bit. Those are called crepuscular rays when you see that sun shining like that. And when you see that camera shaking, that is an indication of that wind that we are already feeling up there. This advisory, the wind advisory, doesn't start until tomorrow, but we're already feeling gusts in that 30 to 40 mile per hour range around Bellingham and Oak Harbor right now. Let's take a look at the big picture rain that's heading our way. Into tomorrow, we are going to be tapping into a lot of moisture over the Pacific, and it's going to hit us tomorrow morning and stay with us for the next couple of days. It's looking like a real atmospheric river event. You can see that just stream of moisture over the Pacific. This is showing Monday morning. That is going to continue. Into Monday and Tuesday, we have a little bit of moisture on the tail end of that, but it tapers off into midweek and then dries out into the end of the week. So first half of the week is definitely going to be more wet. Into this evening, we have those spotty showers continuing. A little bit of a break into tonight, but by tomorrow morning, we're talking widespread rain. It's going to be a wet day tomorrow. Into tomorrow afternoon, we're going to see pockets of moderate to heavy rainfall picking up, especially over the Olympic Peninsula. A little bit of a rain shadow up north. So actually, ironically, those places that will see the strongest winds will also see the lowest rain totals. Into Monday morning, we taper off a little bit, but then come Monday afternoon, we pick back up as we tap into a little bit more of that atmospheric moisture rain. And that is going to favor those southern eastern parts of western Washington. So not quite as much along the Olympic Peninsula and up to the north. Rain totals for just tomorrow will be around 1/2 to even 3/4 of an inch of rain. It's looking pretty impressive in the grand scheme of rain totals for one day. Temperatures will warm up ever so slightly. Today we hit 50 degrees at SeaTac. 58 is normal for this time of year, so we are well below normal. Tomorrow we'll warm up a little bit to that 53-degree mark, so mid-50s in store for tomorrow. But we are staying below average for the next week. Let's take a look at our 7-day forecast. Monday, Tuesday, we cool back down to that 50-degree marker with that rain. We're going to taper off Tuesday, Wednesday. We'll still hold on to shower potential Tuesday, Wednesday, but temperatures cool continuing into Thursday and Friday. Then we warm back up into next weekend. It does look like we will welcome back those 60s.